Do you want an egg?
What? What?
I'm making you a nice egg.
What?
And you should be nice. You should say thanks, Mum.
What?
Someone sent you a toy today. Are you listening?
What?
Right.
What?
I didn't even say anything to you, did I? Cheeky. Come here, quick. Come and get your egg. Quick, come and get your egg. I've got your treat. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Cruise. 1. 1.
What?
That's not counting, is it? Saying what? Come here. I'm sorry, but where did you find that from? Give it back. Tea leaf. Drop it. Stealing. Don't flash your wings at me, you little tea leaf. Give it back right now. Give it to me. Just give it back.